Okay, okay, okay. I will. Let me start over again. So, someone walked into your home and asked you to make a veg sandwich, and you made a real good sandwich, and it was very tasty. And so, let's say this the one which has came out in a very good manner uh, is is your response, is your API response. The request was to make a sandwich, and the response came out, in a successful manner. Let's say 200 or 201 created, right? Sandwich has been created. So we have used some ingredients to make sandwich. So these ingredients, like what they are called, I mean, the ingredients that you're using, if we talk in an API language, then these ingredients, where do they go in the API request?
To the server
Yeah.
database.
uh,
Database.
Request body and headers information.
Correct, correct. It should go into the request body. Like a bread will be one of the. Okay, let me share my screen. Nadia, it does goes to the server, but before going to the server, we need to pass on the information, right? That information we give in the form of body. Like if I go to the
Okay.
post, add product. Let's say this add product is adding a sandwich, creating a sandwich. Okay. So when we are creating a sandwich, we create a post method and we give in a body, like we can say bread of two pieces and lettuce of one piece, and then tomato, what all information that you can give, but that and the response comes out very in an expected manner, which is true or not one created. So the sandwich has been created successfully. Now, what I request you all to do is please create a workspace, a different workspace on your Postman, please. And yes, coming to yesterday's queries, okay, I've created the document and I've shared with everyone in the group where I have explained about contract testing. And Nadia, this was a question from your end. And contract testing is not done from the testers at all. If you see here, contract testing is like a front end developer and a backend developer works on it. Mostly, this is done by the developers. They do the testing, so we need not to worried about contract testing. Okay, we testers come across when it comes to integration testing or functional testing or non-functional testing, performance testing or security testing. Okay, so contract testing will not be given to us in, and the contribution will be developers will be 80% and testers might be 20 to 30%. It's very rare scenario that we will be involved in the contract testing. So we need not to worry about contract testing. And then Akash asked about what exactly is representational state transfer. So this is, I mean, given an example for that too. And he also asked about stateful and stateless in APIs. So there's a real world example about stateful and stateless example, APIs where we come across. So I hope this will really help. And when you read out, I think this will really help in clearing out your query, Akash. And cache was asked by Nadia, like why exactly there's no cache tab in Postman. So when I looked into it, I'm really sorry. Cache tab will not be, I mean, cache will not be used in Postman mostly because every time when you are requesting something to the Postman server, it will be a fresh request. So only cookies are considered. Cache is mostly not considered. I mean, 99% cache is not considered when it comes to Postman requests. Okay. So please go through this document. I mean the cache one. You will get to know like the cache is very, very, very minimal used in the Postman requests. Okay. Sorry, when we are using Postman, the request when we send it, cache is very minimal used. Okay. So these were the queries, and we all got to know like the importance of documentation, why exactly we need documentation, and what all information we can find in the documentation. So, and also you can, if you go to any of the, let's say I have forked one of the essentials. Okay, I forked one of the weather API from a public site. Okay, one of the API from the public site. So when you fork, I mean when you fork is nothing but taking control of that particular API, the one which might be created by someone else. Okay. So when someone else has created an API and he's testing it, if you want to test that particular API, where he's not sharing you, or he's not known to you, but he has kept that particular API publicly. He has distributed that API publicly, so you can fork it. Which means you can take the control of that API. How exactly you can fork it, I'll let you know. But it is not, once you fork it, it will be under your workspace. Then there will be a documentation when you want to test those APIs. You can go to the collection. I mean, click on the collection where you can see view complete documentation. So when you click on view complete documentation, you can see the documentation over here. Any API which you fork, which you pull into your Postman, which was created by any other person in the world. Okay, the documentation will be present. Like if I go to library books API, here also we can see view complete documentation. So the documentation will be presented, will be provided to you in order to test anything. Like if let's say one thing, if I go in here for this time, I hope the screen is visible, right? My
Yes,
screen.
this is
Okay,
visible.
okay, thank you.
Yes, Ashish, yes.
Okay, so there is one of the. Okay, let me post this thing in the. Mm, 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 Okay. Now, could anyone share? I mean, take I mean any volunteer I need who can share his screen and open this website and show me where I can find the documentation so that I can run those APIs in the Postman. Any volunteer is fine. Any volunteer. Let me stop sharing. Stop presenting. Now I need a volunteer, please. Anyone. It's okay. It's okay if you can't find, but just try it. Give it a try. Give it a try. Hello? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, you are
Yes.
audible. Yes, can hear
Okay.
you. Can hear
Yeah,
you.
yeah. I need one volunteer. Any one volunteer.
I can share.
Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead. Okay. Amazing. Okay. Now,
Uh,
yeah.
okay, is it visible?
Yes, yes. It is. It is.
Yes. So, so get started. So this is the application
Mm-hmm.
and documentation. Hmm. So go for get started.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, we usually okay.
Yes.
So browser APIs
Yeah.
are they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the documentation can be provided in this way as well. The one which you're scrolling down. So which you're scrolling and showing. Like if you scroll up, please, to the very top.
Okay.
Okay.
Um.
Here it says get started, right? So when you click on get started button,
Mhm.
so this is where the documentation starts. Okay, and now could you please scroll down? Now could you no, little up where it says API authentication.
Authentication.
Yeah, Now, could you please read this out under authentication?
You do not need to authenticate in
Uh-huh.
order to explore the NASA data.
Uh-huh.
However, if you will be intensively using the APIs to say supports mobile application, then you should sign up for another developer key.
Okay. Now,
Oh.
what exactly does it say
Mm,
is we don't need authentication, which means we need not to
mm,
log in with our any
it's for
username
public.
or password. It is a public where we some of the APIs we
Yeah.
can use it as publicly. Okay. So and
Mm,
there's a web service rate limits, which is hourly limit is 1,000 requests per hour, right? For each
mhm.
API key, these limits are applied across all api.nasa.government API requests. So now we will go to the browse APIs. Could you please go to browse APIs? No, no,
Here,
no. No, no. Scroll down, please. Scroll
browse.
down, down.
Yeah,
Now
here.
we have browse APIs. So these are now click on one of the API. I mean, where it says APOD, astronomy picture of the day. Click on it, please.
Here.
Huh. Now this is what it says. Okay, what exactly APOD? It is what it is explaining what exactly APOD is. Now could you please scroll down? Now what we have,
HTTP.
now what exactly is this HTTP request? Which request is this?
Get.
Correct. Okay. Now could you please scroll down a little? Okay. Do one thing. Copy that. Copy that link. Copy that link.
Okay.
No, not the get. Only HTTPS.
With the points or without the points?
Yeah. Not leave get. Copy the remaining part. Right.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to your Postman tool and paste anywhere. I mean, paste in any
In
of the
gets,
places.
I put new one.
Yes, yes, yes. And
Gets,
yeah,
and
paste
then
it. Uh, okay. Now try to save it and send it, please. Save it any of the collection.
new collection
Hmm.
or just my new
Yeah,
collection.
anything is fine.
Okay, save.
Save. Okay. Now 1 minute, Gautam. 1 minute.
Send.
Click on send.
Should I send it?
Yeah, send it.
Okay, I did.
What does it say?
Error.
Uh-huh.
Code
What is
code
uh,
API key missing.
right?
No
Now
API key was born.
okay, so it's saying that we are not passing the API key, right?
Mm,
So,
mm.
but it did say that authorization is not required. Okay, we do not need authorization, but it is asking for
Uh,
we need an
the
API
key.
key, right? Go back
Mm,
to the website,
mm.
please.
Okay.
Okay, could you please scroll down a little, very slowly. Okay, now it says we have an example query where we have to try this out, please.
Mm.
Where we have an API key which is passed in, which is a demo.
Uh,
Yeah.
should I click on it
Yeah,
or should I
or
copy it?
copy it, please. Copy it.
Okay. In another browser, yes.
No, 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 no. Go to the Postman tool.
Okay.
Now replace
And
the one. No, no. Replace the one with the one which you have copied.
okay.
Paste it. Now try to send it.
Uh, I save it first.
Yeah, yeah. Save it. Save it. Yeah. Thank you. Now send it.
This has parameters.
Yes.
Mm.
Now did it work?
Yeah, and it gives 200. It's okay.
Correct. So when
And also
something is
this.
not working, always read the documentation, like where exactly we are going wrong, or is there any extra information given in the documentation, which will really, really help
Mm,
us. Always go with the
mm,
documentation. And now, okay, what all did we get here? We got media type, service version, title, URL. Could you please go back to that website?
Okay.
Okay. Now scroll up little, scroll up. Okay. Here we have query parameters, which are date, start date, and okay. Are these visible? Are these rendered in the Postman? Could you please check where exactly can we check the query parameters in the Postman?
It's here. It's yeah, these are the parameters.
Yeah.
So this two is demo key.
Uh-huh.
It's here,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, that's it. Only demo key is here. Yeah, key
Right.
equal demo key.
Correct. So
Yeah.
when something is not working, or when we need an authentication, okay, authentication for we haven't covered authentication yet, because that is a huge topic. So when we want to test without authentication, and if there are any resources provided where we don't need authentication, uh, it will be defined in the documentation. So read out the documentation, and you will find some solution somewhere, and then your request will be running. So this is how you can, I'll provide a couple of what they say couple of websites where you can go through the documentation, which do not need authentication, and try to test them. Now, sorry, Gautam, you had a question. Nadia, you can stop sharing, please. Yeah, Gautam, you had a question?
No, no, no.
No? Okay. Now, coming back to the sandwich part. Okay. Uh, can you please let me know? Okay, the sandwich came out in a very good manner. Okay. Now we want to, so that is a positive test case, positive scenario. Now, can you please let me know what all negative scenarios can I have with the sandwich? I mean, how bad can a sandwich be if you're trying to make a sandwich? And what all possibilities of negative scenarios here? Anyone can tell. Anyone is
Uh, Something in the ingredients is missing.
missing. Okay. If okay, yeah, okay. And
Mm.
the bread can be burnt out.
Means you are asking the ingredients of sandwich, right?
No, 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 no. I'm asking how bad can you make a sandwich? I mean,
How bad
how bad?
we
Hmm.
can means put the wrong ingredients, such as we can put that karela. It makes the impression bad.
Amazing. Okay. Okay. Ingredients are missing, and we have a bitter ingredients in that. Okay. And
And we can make more spicy by
okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. And
and we can we don't use correct ingredients, and that is one option. And let me think. We don't
okay.
cook properly.
Okay. Okay.
It is
And
raw.
some ingredients might be gone bad, and we are still using them in the sandwich.
Expiry date materials we are using.
Yeah, we
Expiry
are
date
using
butter we are
them.
using,
Uh,
like that.
and yeah, so these all scenarios come into picture, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sit back and relax. Okay. Please create a workspace on your Postman collection. New workspace. Okay, don't do a new workspace. It's fine. Don't do. It will be, uh, you know, storage issue. Okay, create a new collection. Just create a new collection on your Postman. Everyone, please, everyone, because this is what we are. I don't know. This is where API testing comes into picture. Manual testing comes into picture. Create a collection.
Means a new
Uh,
collection we have to create only blank.
huh, yeah, only blank one. You can name it anything you want. You can name it
Okay.
test, or you can name it demo, or you can name it something, whichever you like, whichever name you
Okay.
like. Now, once you have done that, okay, I need to share my screen, right? Okay. Okay. Now, please navigate to this website. Okay, navigate to this website. Now, expand this products thing. Expand this products thing. Expand the products thing. Okay. I think, yeah, it's we have add, update, delete, and get all products. Super. Okay. Now, what I request you to do is, I want you to let me know. Um, there are no products at all. No, none. None of the products are in the database. None. I mean, there are no ingredients at your home to make a sandwich. So, how would you start? Let me open Notepad here.
We'll start with the post request. First, we'll create the
Mm,
products.
okay. Can you please let me know with the name with the name of that response? Like post request is fine, but what is the name of that request? In the docs, what is the name of that post request? I
Add
mean,
product.
yeah, add
Add
a
product.
product, right? Okay. Okay. Next, what we're gonna do?
Then we can go with get all products or get a single product.
Right. Let's go with the as we have added a single product, so let's go with the single product. Okay. Okay. And we then
If you want to change something in existing product, then we can go with the put.
okay update a product, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then we don't want anything. So what we're gonna do? We want to clear everything out. So what should we do?
Delete. Delete request.
Okay. Delete a product, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now, what I request you to do is please do not create any folders. Okay. Do not create any folders like get, post, put, patch, delete. Do not create them. Just add the request in this manner. Add the request in this manner. Just add them. Add them in this manner in that particular collection. Add this request in that manner.
Actually, Ashish, one
Mhm.
issue I am facing when I am going to create the collection, it is saying that you can't create because you are offline. Why it is happening? Simple step. No, we have to only click.
Yeah, you just click on the collection. Yeah.
Yeah, I am doing that, but not happening. Yeah, I don't
Could
know.
you please refresh? Okay, post application, right?
Just a second. Let me launch the Postman again and let
Yeah,
me
yeah,
try. And
yeah.
let me.
Only if you are not connected to the internet, that is when it says it, or else it should not create that problem. So
No,
yeah,
yeah, it is saying that you can't create.
do one thing. Do one thing. Are you able to access internet? I mean, are you able to access website? Any website, Google or anything?
Just a second.
Yeah,
Any website? No.
yeah. Any website is fine. Google is also fine. Gmail, Google, anything is fine.
Just a second. Gmail. Let me open.
Hmm.
Yes, it is opening.
Okay, do one thing. Go to that postman.com. Go to postman.com. We'll do it from the browser for you. Just go to
Okay.
postman.com and log in from there.
Actually,
Inshallah.
what happened today is my net is little weak. I don't know why.
Okay. No worries, no worries. We can do it from the
It
website as
is showing option that API testing API my workspace. What?
well. Okay, go to this workspaces
Yeah,
and click over there.
going. Just a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have come to workspace.
And if you click on that workspace thing, you will find your workspaces here.
Yeah, I can create a new means collection also here. It is
Huh.
option
Yeah.
collection.
Yeah. Create a collection. Now Is everyone done with this? Add a product, get a single product, update a product, and delete a product.
Sorry, Ashish, I didn't. I have to go to products first in the JSON.
Yes, yes,
Okay, products, and we put all of them with.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
First you need to
Okay.
add a request as add a product, then single product, then update product, then delete product. No folder should be created. Huh? No folder should be created. All should be in one
Oh,
place.
Sorry, Ashish. That I have created new collection. What I have to do next?
Okay. Once you have added a collection, okay, let me show it over here. Let me do it over here. Okay, let me name it. Okay, name it as demo jar. Okay, demo jar.
Yeah.
Once you have added here, then go to this thing and click on add a product and
Let me
take
go on dummy JSON. Let me just a second.
yeah, and
Just a
then
second.
yeah,
Dummyjson.com. Okay.
and then docs.
Read docs. We have to go, na? That there's
Yeah,
option.
go to docs, please. Go to docs.
Just a second. Just a
Yeah,
second. Going a little. Yeah, net slow.
no worries. Others can click on this add a product thing. Okay, and then add a request. Name it as it a post one. Add it post and paste it here. The URL and
um,
then
sorry, Ashish, for create a product,
uh-huh,
for create add a new product.
uh-huh.
We which method we use? Is it get or post, or for create add a new product?
Post. Add when adding something, it is a post method.
Oh, post. Okay.
Yeah, it's always
Actually,
Yeah.
post.
it is showing that there's a little network disturb.
Ah,
Okay, I'll
thank
try
you.
it. I'll see your videos. Okay, you can go on. Okay,
Yeah, thank you.
I can refer
Okay,
that.
thank you. And then add this. Okay. And in here, we need to add the JSON in the body, raw JSON. Okay. Why exactly it is giving this red line? What is what I'm doing wrong here?
I think it should be in code, double code.
Okay, good. And
This is will be in double quotes.
yeah, okay, and
Remove
Please
comma.
remove comma if
amazing,
we are not doing and not
super,
writing anything.
super. Okay, super. Sure.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, let me click on this okay, one part is done. The
Yeah.
same way, I want others get a single product, update a product, and delete the product should be added in this section only, in this collection only. Please let me know once that is done. Today I'll be relaxed. I want you people to work on. Let me explain. Let me keep this. Okay, so that this is what our target is. I've shown one example. I want other three requests to be added under the same collection. We need one by, we need one another. After add a product, get a single product, update a product, delete a product. So all these three should be added under the collection. And make sure that when you're adding a body, I think for update a product, we need a body. So the body, the JSON body should be correct. There should be no red lines or no errors. How far are we? Like, is the second request added? Is the third request added or all done?
First one is added, second one is in process.
Okay. And please remember, only update a product needs a body. I don't think so. Delete a product needs a body. Let me check. So delete a product. Delete a product. Nah, yeah, delete a body. Product doesn't need a body. So
Sorry,
yeah, I
I
said
yeah.
only update a product needs a body. Delete and get doesn't need body.
Yes, yes. I
Yeah.
no, it's not about that. I just want to tell you that I made a collection,
Uh-huh.
okay?
Uh-huh.
But when now I want to save what I put here,
Uh-huh.
like the request, I want to save it. It does not get saved in under that collection. It goes to the collection that I had from before. I don't know why.
Okay, do one thing, Nadia. When you have added the collection now, so click on that collection three dots and then say add request. It will be saved under that particular collection.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Welcome. Anyone completed? Okay, in the meanwhile, let me also add it. No, no, I'll not add it. I'll not add it.
Sorry. So um I go for add request after I send it or before I send it.
No, no, no. You just need to add these requests. You need not to send them. Just add them. We are not sending
Oh,
any requests. You just add the data. It should just be added. Sending we
oh,
will be
okay.
doing later, but as of now, just add them.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
welcome. Working on the data will be done after we have added all four. And yes, I think yesterday Akash asked, right, about 404 and 4. something 401, why it is giving 404 for a request where we placed comma after the URL, right? Was it Akash or Ankit? Someone else. I'm not sure. But yes, the answer, I looked into this MDN web docs where if the server, if the URL is not recognized, we will be getting 404 not found as well. This is also valid response. Like yesterday, I think this one was in some place. Here, if I put in comma, it says 404, but someone said that it should be a different response code. Like it should be 401, no, 400 bad requests. Yes, it should be 400 bad requests, but not 404 not found. But when we went through this documentation, no, this web docs, then we found out that the URL is not recognized. If the URL is not recognized, then it will say 404 not found. But it can also say 400 bad requests as well. It depends upon how the documentation is provided. Okay. So, so is it done? There was only 4 requests. So someone has completed. You need not to run the request, just add the request. I just want to add the request.
Assist is 3, right? Add,
So,
update, and delete.
yes, add is done. Get, update, and delete. Get, update, and delete.
I think I completed.
Yours done?
Ashish, I see that when I added them, but the problem when I see them in the list, they are all of them gets, but not all of them. One of them was put, one of them was gets, and one of them was delete, one of them was post. But I see that all of them they appear with this green gets.
Yeah. Get, we only want one request. Get a single product. Only the get a single product should be added. Not all get
Yeah,
one.
yeah. But when I add them here in Postman, I add with post, but
Uh,
it appears in the list with gets, or
huh,
I added with the yes.
uh, you need not to run the request. Please do not run the request.
No, I didn't
Uh,
run. But still, I can share if you want the screen.
yeah,
It
yes.
Mhm.
Let me stop it.
Same for me also, Assist.
Okay. Uh,
Inside it's displaying post or delete, but outside it's displaying all 3 are get request only.
all three. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me share my screen and let me do it from my end. Okay, I'll do it.
Okay, I stopped
Yeah.
sharing.
Okay, Assist.
Sure. Okay. So we are done with add a product, right? Now we'll go with get a single product. Where exactly? This is a get a single product. Okay. Let me copy this and then add request. Uh, get a single product. Okay. And it's a get request. Just paste it here. Save it. Okay. Please do not run them. Okay. Keep it, just add them. Okay. Now, what was the next part? Update a product, right? Okay, let's go to update a product. Then here we have the update product thing. And then we can select update, we can select put and name it as update a product and paste the URL and then remove this quotes, go to body, raw, JSON, then copy the we need the JSON. So JSON starts from here, ends in here. Okay, so copy this, paste it in here, then give it double quotes, double quotes, double quotes here. Okay, so save this. Now update a product is done. Now that comes delete a product. Okay, so delete a product. Copy this. Put in here. Add a request. Then delete a product and select delete. Paste in the URL. Remove the single quotes. Up. Is this done? Is it completed in this way?
Yes.
Minati and Nadia, is it completed in this way? Or
We did it. I did it all wrong. All
no,
wrong.
no worries.
Yeah.
Minati, what about you, please?
I don't know. As a sign, let me check. I am also doing the wrong
Okay,
things.
okay. No worries, no worries. Take your time, take your time. Add a product. Let's see the product. Update the product. Delete product.
I just, Ashish, I just want to ask you that this text that you have here down is the body, yes? From where you got it?
I got this from here. When we click on update a product, this is where I got the body.
And for the link, where you get from where you get the link? Because
Link
I
here.
was copying actually all the time. I was copying this that is in the black.
Okay. No.
No.
Okay. On the right hand side, when you see products, when
Okay.
scroll down a little, you will find update a product. This is just an information. This is the bulb sign source a tip or a, I mean, you can, it will be simulate put or patch. You can use any of the requests. This is just an information. This is not a body. I can say this
No,
is
no.
as a text. Huh.
But for me, I used to, do you know what is in the black, board
This one?
here?
This one?
Yeah, all
Huh.
these things I used to put it in the place of the URL.
Yeah. Oh, URL. No. In
It's
URL, it
wrong.
should be only this thing, only this part. This is the URL.
Oh, so you take it from here, or you go to that to the other side, to the corner, in the place of update products.
I take it from here only. I take it from here only.
Okay.
How? I mean, how
Ashish,
exactly? Yeah.
I have one question.
Yeah.
In that, I have created one product, but in the second request, when I want to see that product, means I'm unable to see that product. So what should I add? Means whether it's ID or its
Okay.
name.
You added a product here, right?
Yes.
Let me say, okay. Um, vanilla ice cream.
Yes.
Vanilla ice cream. Okay. I spelled it wrong again. Okay. And I've saved it and I've ran this. So
Correct.
we have ID of 195, right? And it's
Yeah, I
vanilla
got the
ice cream.
same ID.
And once we come here, let's see what it shows. ID of 195 to okay, ID 1. Let's go with 195. Okay.
Mhm.
And Okay, product ID with ID 195 not found. Maybe this is title we have, ID we have, single product we have. What's the name? Okay, we do one thing. If we cannot get this, the ones which we are adding,
Mhm.
um, the product
Can
is
we fetch it by using title?
checking that. If do we have that option in this? Do we have that option?
I think,
Search products. Okay, let's see if we can search using this.
And we can do that using query parameter.
Yeah, that
Query
is,
parameter we have to pass a title equal to.
yeah, that is what if I yeah. And let's see, and then we give. So what was the query parameter all about? Title, right? Let's go with the title and
title.
this. Let's see if we can find it in this way.
Okay.
We need to remove one
Yeah.
before question mark.
Okay.
Okay,
So it's one. Mhm.
it did give something, but it is not vanilla what we have got it here. Oh my God, I think we got all the products. 194. Total we have 194, but
No, I think we have to remove forward
the
slash after
slash as
product.
well, right? Yeah.
Yes.
It's still the same. Still the same. Still the same. Let me do one thing. Okay, let me add this here. Let me go for this get all products. Okay. Let me see if we can get this vanilla over there. If it is really getting it or not. Add a request. That all products. And add it. Maybe it is not saving into the database. That might be one of the reason too. Mm, Scroll
Okay.
down. Nah, no, okay. The one which we are adding, it's not getting added to the database. That is the reason. Total, it still says
Okay.
194. So we can do one thing. Let me go ahead with 194. So if we go with 194, then single product, let me remove all these things that are very bad in this item and say 7. And let's see if we are getting the 7th product or not. Yep, we do get it.
Yes.
So the last which we can get is 194, I think. 194. 194 is the
Yes.
last which we can hit. But what we have added, let me add one more thing here. Butterscotch. It should be 195. Okay, so the 190, the one which we are adding is not reflecting, is it's not reflecting in this, I mean it's not getting added in the database. That is the reason that single product, when we are trying to find it, it's not working. I mean it's not pulling out the data. It says that ID with 195 not found. So that's how
Okay.
the website has been created. So we need not worry about that. But yes, what you are doing is correct, Mayur. I mean you're adding, which is you're
Mhm.
adding is correct.
Okay.
Let me,
Thank you, Ashish.
no worries. You're welcome. Let me delete this. So is it done? Add, get, update, delete. Anyone? Anyone has completed this 4? None. Delete a product. 194. Can we delete this 195? Let me see if we can delete this 195. Okay, but so it is not adding. It is not adding to the database. Okay, one more point here. Uh, is it completed? Is it completed? Hello, hello.
Hello, not yet. Yeah, for me, I did all wrong, so I have to repeat from the beginning.
Mm, how far are others? Like, how far are you? Like, Mayur, have you completed?
Yeah, last one is remaining.
Delete one.
Last. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Ankit, Arvind, Akash.
Actually, Ashish, I missed the
Yeah, sorry,
because of
sorry.
network
Yeah,
issue. Now it
yeah,
is
yeah.
okay because now I missed, so I'll revise it from your
Okay,
recordings.
yeah, got it. Gautam, Mahesh, Shubhangi.
Due to other things, I joined the meeting, so I will recap.
Okay, no worries. Arvind, Gautam,
I
Shubhangi.
have
Yeah, I
completed
joined with
some parts
mobile
of Danny's
and
lesson.
Oh, okay, no worries. Gautam,
Yes, yes.
almost there. And Minty, how far are you? Is she on the call?
Assist.
Yeah.
Actually, I created one request. Okay, in the
Uh-huh.
update part, I again copy that. I think that's why it's happening to me. I need to start from the scratch.
No worries, no worries, no worries. Take your time. I mean, today it will be all practical, so no worries. Take your time because we are done with theory a lot. I mean, it was more theoretical part. So let's go with practicals and have some fun with APIs. Okay, the ones who have completed. Okay, the ones who have completed. Uh, can you run all the requests and see if what the response that you're getting is as expected? The ones who have completed, just run the request and see if the response is what you are expected is correct. Okay. Nadia, can you please share your screen? I have submit. Okay. Please share your screen. Let me do one
Okay,
thing.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, you said
Okay, this is visible.
go to Postman, please.
This is Postman.
Yeah. Okay. So this is what you have added on the left hand side, right?
Is this that I told you it was all wrong, but the last
Huh.
one now I'm doing. I'm
Do
undo.
one thing. Do one thing. Click on that on the right hand side of the demo. Uh,
Mm-hmm,
demo. Click on the three dots
mm-hmm.
and delete the collection. Scroll down. Scroll down. Uh, uh, click on that.
I
Click on the yeah.
yeah. Wait.
See yeah, and then scroll down. You have to use the mouse. Now use the scroll bar. Use the scroll bar and scroll down, please. Scroll bar on the scroll bar which is at the right. Huh.
At the right? This? You mean this one? Okay.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, scroll down. Delete the collection, please. Delete the last option.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Yes,
Okay.
this is
Delete
better
it.
because
Yeah,
it was a mess.
I know. I got your point. Same,
Yeah.
Minty, you can if your collection is also all I mean little wrong, then you can create a new collection, delete it, and start it from the beginning. It's fine. Now click on new collection, blank collection, and name the one which you want to name it.
Um, New collection.
Hmm.
Oh, wait a minute.
No, it's
Where
already
is it?
created. It's already created. At the top.
This
At the
one.
top. Huh. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, that is the one.
Yeah. So rename.
Hmm.
Can write demo collection.
Yeah, anything that you want to. Okay.
Okay.
Now click on that. Click on those three dots. Do one thing. First, go to that dummy JSON
Okay.
and click on add a product on the right hand side.
Oh, from the list, yeah.
Yeah, from the list. It's already. Click on that add a product. Scroll up, up, little up. Click on that add a product.
I don't see other products. Oh, yeah, it's here.
Okay. Now, on the left hand side, scroll little down. Scroll the window down. Okay. Now, just copy the link. Oh, it went.
Deletes, updates, add.
Add.
It's here.
Yeah. So
So I must put.
copy the link. Only the link.
Yeah. It went. So a new. I go for new.
No. On the demo collection, where it says add a request, in blue in color, below the demo. Click in there.
Okay. Oh, it's here.
Yeah, and now,
You see that the gets new request is
yeah, that
already
is
there.
fine. You need to change it now. You need to change it.
Oh, okay. Paste.
Paste.
And then I remove
And
these things.
yeah, and remove from the end part as well. Right. And change the request from get to post.
Post.
Okay,
And then save.
Save it. And we need a body for it, right? For a post request, we need a
Yeah.
body. So click on body.
Here.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. Click on body.
Okay. And raw.
Raw. And as it is a JSON format, JSON is selected, so we need not to change anything here. I'll go back to that website, copy the whole thing, whole part. No, that is get
From
products by
down.
candidate. Yeah.
Asis,
Yeah. Yes, Minati.
sorry, but
No,
after
please don't be
Sevna, it's
sorry.
waiting for me.
What is not working? Sorry.
Uh, After I change here to post and save, it's reflecting for me in that
It's not
collection.
reflecting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Previously, it's all in get na Asis. Right now,
Huh.
it's get post delete put is coming for me. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Is it coming now?
Uh,
Yes, Asis is coming.
Okay, great. Okay, now in here, Nadia, so we need just the JSON format. So remove all unwanted stuff, unwanted data should be removed here.
like what?
Okay. Okay, how exactly JSON should be like type and value, right? So here we have all other data as well. So that data should be removed, like fetch thing should be removed, method
Yeah.
post should be removed, header should be removed.
And this also header.
Yeah, header should be removed. Body JSON string 5, like do not remove the flower bracket, but before that the opening curly bracket to body should be removed.
So you mean here?
Do not remove the
This.
flower bracket, or else you can do one thing, copy the complete whole thing into notepad,
Okay.
delete it from here and copy it to notepad.
Oh, delete it. Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
Copy,
There is no
copy,
delete. Oh, I copy.
copy, and hit backspace on your keyboard. Just hit backspace.
Backspace in
Back
the
backspace or delete button. Delete key on your keyboard. Keyboard.
delete. Okay,
Yeah.
this one.
Okay, it's done. Now open Notepad or Notepad plus plus. Anything is fine.
Okay.
Paste it here. Notepad is also fine. Paste it here.
Oh no, not this one. Okay, bring me my notepad. Mm, plus.
Now you spelled it wrong, I think. Notepad.
Oh yeah, it's
E.
this one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one.
It's the E was added. Okay,
Mm.
I go to notepad. This is the plus plus.
Yeah, anything is fine. Notepad plus plus is also fine. I mean, some way you can paste. Some way that you can paste that.
Yeah. This notepad plus plus. This has also the languages like X, like JSON, and it takes time.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, it's here.
Yes, Renu.
It's
Yes.
here.
Hi, Ashish.
Yeah.
Sorry, I got late today because some electricity issue here. So can you please tell me from where did you start and what's going on?
Okay. Uh, um, Renu, first create a collection. Name it anything that
Okay.
you want. Okay.
Okay.
Then go to dummy JSON,
Okay.
dummyjson.com, and
Okay.
go click on docs,
Hmm.
and then expand products thing, and
Hmm.
you need to add four requests, just four requests. One being add a product, another being get a single product, and third being update a product, and the fourth being delete a product. These four requests should be added under that collection. Do not create any folders. All those four requests should be added simultaneously, and I mean one down the another. No folders should be
Okay.
created. Okay, can you
Okay.
please do
Okay.
that? Here, Nadia, could you please copy from the flower bracket where it starts after string fy, and copy it under,
I lost your voice. I
I'm
lost your voice for a while.
sorry, okay, copy the part where it starts, the flower bracket where it starts after string ify, after that
IFY, where is it?
body
Yeah.
json. No, don't copy that, don't copy that. Start from the flower bracket.
So it's from here, like you mean
No, flower
the
bracket.
title.
No, flower bracket.
What is fabric? Is here.
Yes, that is the one. That is a flower bracket. Okay. And stop it, please. Now
Here.
copy this and paste it in the body of Postman.
Okay. Oh, it takes time. Okay, here.
Yeah, you
In
can.
one.
No, you
Okay.
can paste it in third line as well. It's fine. No worries. Now remove that the last bracket, the what I can say,
Okay.
curly bracket. Remove that, please.
Okay. Keep
And
it like this.
yeah, keep it like that. And in the title, where it says title, use double quotes at the start and at the end.
Okay. Okay.
Double quotes,
Yes.
which
I,
is
I have to change. I have to change the language because I'm mixing. The
okay.
keyboard is Swedish and the laptop is English. Does not
Uh,
work.
no,
Oh, what is that?
double quotes will be same for every language, right?
Mm, no, it
The
does not
double
work
quotes.
here because
Uh,
No, because the language of the laptop and the language and the keyboard,
Uh,
because I have extra keyboard,
okay.
they don't have the same language. So I have so many languages here.
Okay.
No, the mouse does not work. Mm, it went.
Minati, is it done at your end, please?
Oh, it's here.
Asif,
Yeah.
Is it? Language?
I made it,
Is
but
it completed?
after Nadia, I will show you Asif.
Okay, okay, sure, sure,
Now his
sure.
character is strong, but
Yeah, yeah,
I
sure. No worries. I think it's
Okay, it's. Yeah, I'm here. So here now I can say. Yes. And the other one must be here.
no, no, no. The title, it should start from the title and end. It should start from T and end at E. The double
E.
quotes. Uh,
Okay.
yeah. And
Yes.
yeah, remove the. There are two double quotes at the beginning. Remove one.
Yeah.
And same for BMW pencil. It should start from B and end at L.
There
W.
is already one, but it's not double.
It's not
So
double.
I remove the other one, the existing
Yes.
one, yes?
Yeah, the single quote. And remove the comma as well. Remove that comma part as well. Okay,
Okay.
amazing. Click on save. Now please add other parts as well, other requests as well. Nadia, could you please stop sharing so that I can see Minda's screen, please?
Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. And this is a JSON part. Okay, I'll come to that part too. Okay. Mindati, can you please share your screen?
okay, Asif.
Yeah.
Is it my screen visible to you?
Nope, not yet. Yes, it's coming through. It's coming through. Yes, it
Yes.
is. It is. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that is correct. Now, we are missing with one request here. Get a single product. That is not added.
Okay. Okay, Asif, I will add that one.
And yeah, that should be under product. Okay. It should be in between product and update product. The get a single product should be between product and update a product. Okay.
Okay, I will add that.
Yeah, you can drag it. If you drag it now, it will be it might add at the top, but you can drag it so that you can place it in between those two requests.
Okay.
Yeah. So now as we are Nadia will be adding those. So now as we are let me share my screen. Okay. And why why is my screen visible?
Yes, Ashish.
Yeah. Now let me go to this reqres and .n. Why did I ask for the practice? Because get and delete will not have any issues. When we're working with get and delete requests, we will not have any issues. But when it comes to post, put, and patch, we need the JSON. So how exactly JSON looks is when this is how the JSON format looks. This is how the JSON format looks. So if I know the practice is very less, but it's really important. When we practice, we will get to know, okay, the JSON format will have, it starts from curly brackets and it ends with curly brackets and it has a double quotes. So this is how we can look out when we are trying to work on different requests as well. If I go to this add as product, here I need to see where exactly my flower bracket starts. Okay, it starts from here, and where exactly it ends. It ends here. Okay, if I let me copy this completely. And okay, so here my flower bracket starts and here my flower bracket ends. So this is the JSON format. We have to remove all this things. So only practice will let us know, like, okay, this is the JSON format and this is what we need to have in our body. So once again, a request, please practice. And yeah, please practice. Okay, now as you all have this request under your collection, what I request you to do is run all the collections and see if you're getting the expected results. Similar products. One. Once you have all this as expected, go back to the collection, at the very top, go back to the collection. Nadia, could you please follow this? And Minty, if you have completed adding get a single product, can you please follow this step? Just a very small step. Huh?
Yeah, I will follow before because I didn't. I will follow with you and then I do the work later.
Thank you. Okay.
Otherwise, I will lose the. Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, click on the collection. Click on this collection thing. Okay, which you might have named something for your collection, right? Demo something you have named, and everyone would have named something. Okay, click on this collection. Go to this scripts tab. Go to this scripts tab and click on this pre-request tab. Pre-request. Okay, click on this pre-request tab and paste this. Just paste this which I'm providing to you. Paste this over there and click on save. I think I have posted it again. Let me post it again. Just copy this code and paste it over there in that place and then save it. What exactly this does is when you're running requests, if there are any old requests which you have ran in the console, those will be cleared automatically using this code. I mean, it just says console. Okay, clear out anything which is present in the console. Okay, so let me do one. Let me show it to you. Okay, if I run this, correct. Let me run this add a product. Okay. See, it says console was cleared, and only the latest request which we have ran will be displayed over here. Why exactly this is helpful? Why exactly this is helpful? Because let me show you. Let me comment this out. Okay, and save it. Now when I'm running each and every request and running all these requests, see everything is getting added. And if there are multiple requests we have run, okay, and I'm just running this multiple times, huh? Okay. Okay. So if we close this out and come back to console, we have to scroll up and down to see which, and we might get confused, like which might be the latest one. So in order to not get confused and to have the latest request which has run on our end, we just provide this a common code. This is a common code which we provide in order to make the console clear. Now, when I save this and run this request again, see, it has cleared the console first. Why it has cleared the console first? Because we have said before what is pre-request and post responses. Pre-request is before running the request. Before running the request, run this line of code. Run this line of code. Okay. So that is the reason it is clearing the console first. Then it's showing us the request which has been run. So now it is easy for us. Okay, this is the only request which we ran. Now it is easy for us to see what was the response, what was the request, and all those things. That is the only reason we keep this console.clear in the pre-request thing. Okay, just to clear out before we run any requests, just to clear the console, we use this line of code. Is this understood? Any doubts in here?
Assis,
Yeah.
can you please once show me that to get a single product body
Uh,
once?
in get we don't have a body, Minty. We will not be having a body.
Only that header is coming, right?
Yes. Only the URL. Only the endpoint
Okay, okay.
URL. Yeah, no body. For get and
Thank
delete, we will not be having bodies.
you.
Only for post.
For delete, I didn't add body. I know that.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Got it? Okay,
I will do
amazing.
that
Amazing.
later.
Okay. No worries, no worries. So are we clear with this console.clear? Why do we use it? Is everyone clear why exactly we use this console.clear?
Yes, Ashish.
Okay,
Yes.
great. Now what I
Wow.
request you all to do is now we let's say we have 30 minutes. Okay, let's take it till 30 minutes. I want you all to um add negative scenarios to this. Add negative scenarios. Let me see how far you can you go adding a negative scenarios, and name that negative scenarios in a proper manner. Okay, the negative scenarios should, let's say if I'm adding a product, okay, here this is my add a product. Now my negative scenario would be, okay, how would you do that? Just click on this three dots, duplicate this request, so everything will be copied along with the body. Now just name this as, okay, missing title info. This is one of the negative scenario, right? And just comment this out, okay, and save this and then send. It is still created an ID. Okay, so what I request you to do is try this out and see where all we can create bugs. Where all can we create bugs for this? Where we are giving invalid information or missing information, but still it is giving a proper response. So take 30 minutes and try out, please. And name the titles correctly. Name the titles correctly. What exactly you're doing, that should be in the title info, in the title. I'll relax for 30 minutes. Enjoy API manual testing with negative scenarios, please. See how far can you go. I'll stop presenting because I don't think so. You're, yeah, we are really I'm explaining anything. So let me stop presenting here.